Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video we will learn about how can we recover our unsaved files, and at the end of the video I will explain some important settings which you need to make to recover your data properly. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So for example, I have this document here. This is the document. Make some changes like this one line I make bold. This line I increase its size, font size, and make it italic. So these are the changes which I'm not going to save deliberately to show you how can I recover those changes. So I will close this file and I will do don't save. Click on this one, and now I will show you how can I recover this file. So I will go to File. Open any blank document or any Word file, go to File, and then from here, go to Info tab, this section. You can see the Manage Document. If you click Notes on the side, click this one and go to Recover Unsaved Documents. Click this one. It will take you to the location where all the unsaved files are being stored. So you can see this first one, double click this one, and you can see this ESV69 unsaved. Click this one, press open. Now it will open the file which has my changes like this first line is bold and this first line italic with the higher font size. So and I can simply press save as from here, and I can save this file anywhere where I want with a different name. For example, test, save. And now in this way, I'm able to recover my unsaved file. I am able to recover my unsaved changes. So this was the first method. Let's talk about the second method. Second method is go to the file section, and from the file section, click on the file section and then go to open this one, click on this one, and from here at the bottom you can see recover unsaved documents. If I click this option, it will take me to the same path which I showed you before. So here you'll see all the unsaved file will be there. You click wherever you want to click, where with the file which you want to recover. Select the file, press open, and it will recover my file. Let's talk about some of the important setting. Go to the file tab, and then from the file tab at the bottom left, there is a options. Click on this options button, and then go to the save, this section, and you can see the settings. First one is autosave files stored in the cloud by default in Word. So it means the file has been autosaved in the cloud storage. Keep this on. Second one, what should be the format of the Word document? So this is the format of the Word document. You can choose a different format if you want. Next one is save auto recover information every 10 minutes. At the moment, it's a 10 minutes. What it means if like due to some system crash and stuff, your file get closed, and but it will auto recover your information after every 10 minutes. You can change the time to the 5 minutes as well, so it will be back up your information after every 5 minutes. The third one is keep the last auto recover version if I close without saving. So it keep this on because it will keep your last auto recover version, which will help to recover your last version of your document. So these are the option, and again it's showing the file location. What would be the file location where the auto recover document you will be able to find. So these are the just quick setting you need to make sure you keep it on to recover your data properly. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.